Let us commence the ceremony by honoring the achievers who have brought international and national acclaim to our school. Excellence isn't achieved overnight, it's earned, moment by moment, choice by choice. Let's make some noise for our powerlifting champions. First up, we have Hiteshi of class 12D, who has made our school immensely proud by clinching the first position at the National Powerlifting Championship. Adding another feather to her cap, she was also honored with the Strong Woman Award at the same event, a testament to her strength, determination, and unbeatable spirit. Please give her a thunderous round of applause. Next up, we have Ritu of class 12D, who achieved first position at the National Powerlifting Championship. A huge round of applause for their incredible strength and determination. Next we have Ritika Rajpurohit of class 9B, who distinguished herself at the International Aqua MUN by winning the Outstanding Delegate Award with her eloquence, confidence, and diplomacy. Please motivate her with a huge round of applause for her remarkable accomplishment. Let's welcome on stage Amanat Bajaj of class 7th A, who swept first position with her brilliant fluency and expression in the Pan India recitation competition at the national level. Please give her a roaring round of applause. Please welcome Arshi Jain of class 12th A, whose brilliance and relentless dedication earned her excellence in the International Commerce Olympiad. Her achievement stands as a testament to focus, perseverance, and intellect. Let's give her a huge round of applause. We are elated to invite Uday Sood of class 11C, who brought laurels to the school by securing the Best Presenter Award at the Science Symposium Inter-School Competition. His creativity and problem-solving spirit reflect the true essence of innovation. Please give him a thunderous round of applause. Music is the very breath of the heart, and rhythm is the graceful dance of the universe. It is the pulse of life, soul to the universe, wings to the mind, and flight to the imagination. Let's welcome Aram Jain of class 7B, a prodigy whose talent has echoed across stages. He qualified for the national level in Jankriti, the Art of Living Harmonium competition, secured the second position in instrumental swar competition at the district level, and the third position in solo instrument swar competition at the zonal level. He was also a semi-finalist in Jankriti, the Art of Living Harmonium competition. Give a huge round of applause for Shivam Sonkar of class 12C, who clinched third position in Kala Utsav solo instrument district level competition, and he was also a semi-finalist in Jankriti, the art of living flute zonal level competition, and qualified for the same at the national level. Adding to this musical excellence, let's call upon Abhay Gupta of class 7th B, who has qualified for the national level in Jankriti, the art of living harmonium competition. His consistency and dedication make him one of our rising stars. Please give him a cheerful round of applause. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for recognizing the hard work and dedication of our students. We humbly request you to take your seats, please.
It gives us immense pleasure to now welcome our honorable guest, Shri Ashish Agarwal Jain ji. Ashish Agarwal, sir, academic advisor, MSMS, and Mrs. Kriti Chajjar ji, Vice Chairman, PTA, MSMS. Along with the head of art department, Mrs. Swati Nagar ma'am, to the stage. We request them to kindly come forward to felicitate our young achievers. Now, let's move to another young maestro, Pradyuman Goyal of class 10B. He has showcased exceptional command over classical music, winning the first position in classical solo at the zonal level, the second position in vocal music classical solo competition at the district level, and the third position in Kala Utsav classical solo competition at the district level. Let's give him a huge round of applause. Great ideas begin with great thinkers. Now let's welcome on stage Aditya Verma and Khushi Sharma of class 12C, who won the tag of top 1000 in school innovation marathon at the national level.
Let's keep the musical spirit alive as we move to yet another remarkable young artist. We are thrilled to invite on stage Dhiren Paskotra of class 6th B, who has captured hearts with his performance in vocal music semi-classical solo competition, winning the first position at the district level and the third position at the zonal level. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Next up we have Tejas of class 11th A, who impressed us at Jankriti, the art of living tabla competition, reaching the semi-finals where rhythm met grace in perfect harmony. Let's give him a thundering round of applause. Next, bringing charm and awareness to the stage, we have Avnoor Kaur of class 5th B, who won first position in the Kids for Tiger fancy dress competition. Let's give her a huge round of applause.
Moving ahead in our celebration of talent and creativity, we are thrilled to invite on stage Pranav Nagarwal of class 9th B, who has won first position in the Kids for Tigers fancy dress competition. Please give him a roaring round of applause.
Let's call on stage Shreyansh Gupta of Class 10C, who impressed audiences with his expressive power and flawless delivery, earning the second position in mono acting at the zonal level. Please give him a huge round of applause.
Thank you, sir and ma'am. Your encouragement truly added rhythm to our celebration. Now we humbly request you to take your seats.
We are now delighted to invite our esteemed guest, Shri Chandratan Jain. A full round of applause.
Now make some noise for Vrinda Soni of Class 12C, who have outshone herself in freestyle solo dance competition and have attained third position in solo classical dance competition. Please give her a cheerful round of applause.
We are delighted to invite Tanish Gupta of Class 8A, who won second position in the Kids for Tiger Eco-Friendly Rangoli Inter-School competition, and he also won third position in Junior Boys Debate competition. Please give him a roaring round of applause.
True speakers don't just use words, they inspire minds. Let's invite on stage Reyansh Arora of Class 8C, who secured third position in zonal level boys debate competition. Please give him a cheerful round of applause.
Next up we have Nehal Grover of Class 6B, who won second position in poster making competition. Her work painted the message of sustainability and vibrant wholes. Let's give her a thunderous round of applause.
We are deeply thankful to you, sir and ma'am, for recognizing the sincere efforts of our students. We request you to kindly take your seats.
And now we hand over the mic to Anya and Swasti.
Thank you, Bhavya and Priyanshi.
With immense joy and respect, we invite our honorable guest, Shri Gaurav Jain ji, Member of Management, along with Head of Computer Department, Mrs. Geeta Arora ma'am, to please come forward to honor our talented students.
Now, we are delighted to invite Ayan Suri of Class 7th A, whose artistic flair earned him the third position in sculpture making at the zonal level as well as district level. Please give him a thunderous round of applause. Let's celebrate Hunar Vohra of 8th B, who secured third position in the English slogan writing competition at the district level and at the zonal level. Please give her a roaring round of applause.
Let's call Parshvi Jain of Class 3rd A, who earned third position in the fancy dress competition. Let's give her a roaring round of applause.
In the field of logical brilliance, Pihu Agarwal of class 3rd A achieved 3rd position in the Dr. Satya Paul Memorial Mathematics Quest Sacred Ogio Art, a perfect fusion of art and numbers.
Art is a language that speaks through colors and creativity, adding more color to the celebration. We are thrilled to invite Lavanya Narang from class 9B, has showcased her artistic brilliance by winning 3rd position in face painting competition. Let's give her a heartfelt round of applause. Next, showcasing intellect and diplomacy, Adya Gupta of class 10th B emerged as a winner of Mooniverse Inter-School MUN competition, impressing everyone with her confidence, clarity and command.
Adding another feather to his cap, Saptanshu Mundal of class 5th A won a special prize in the Magic Brush Painting competition, Hungary's intangible culture. His artwork spoke the universal language of creativity without borders.
Now give a huge round of applause for Karthik Gautam of class 11C, who reached the semi-finals in classical solo competition at Jankriti, the art of living.
Let's invite Ayush Gupta of class 11th A, who showcases musical brilliance on the harmonium at Jankriti, the art of living classical solo competition.
Continuing the melody of talent and devotion, Mayangalambam Devojit of class 6th B struck the right chord at Jankriti, the art of living, securing his place as a semi-finalist in the classical tabla category. His performance resonated with harmony, discipline and soulful artistry. Give him a huge round of applause.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to you, sir and ma'am, for acknowledging the hard work and talent of our students. We now request you to please take your seat.
We now take immense pleasure in inviting our honorable guest, Shri Amrit Lal Jain ji, along with Head of Hindi Department, Mr. Dinesh Kumar sir, to kindly come forward and felicitate the winners.
Let's now turn the spotlight to the heartbeat of melody, our school orchestra, a group that defines teamwork in its purest form. Please give it up for our young musicians, Harshit Kaushal and Samarth Gupta of class 12th B, Shivam Sonkar of class 12C, Tejas, Ayush Gupta, Arav Jain, Gurman Singh and Aditya Jain of class 11th A, Shaurya Sethia of class 11C, Naitik Kumar of class 11D and Gautam Garg and Nonit Singh of class 10th A. They have clinched the first position at both the zonal and district levels. Together, they have turned rhythm into resonance and music into magic.
Now give a resounding applause to our talented team of young Mahavirans who brought glory to the school by winning second position at the zonal level. Let's welcome our swift and skillful tennis players Gulika Jain and Tanushka Bansal of class 12th A, Kritika Jain of class 9th A and Tanishka Kapoor of class 9C.
Finally, we turn to the world of theatre, where stories come alive through passion and performance. Our talented dramatics team earned the third position at the zonal level, bringing grace, emotion, and energy to the stage. Let's applaud our brilliant performers: Hema Garwal, Mankarnika Sahani, Sanvi Singhal, Manan Chhajjar of class 12th A, Ojasvi Verma, Arav Chhajjar, Anjal Sharma and Rhythm Virmani of class 12th B, Kinjal Raj Purohit and Devuti Jain of class 11D, and Mehak Jain of class 11C. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Next up, we have our young innovators who together bagged the first position in Kids for Tiger Best Out of Waste competition, proving that teamwork and creativity makes an unbeatable combination. Let's invite Arav Jain, Gurman Singh, Aditya Jain, Ayush Gupta and Tejas of class 11th A and Shaurya Sethia of class 11C. Please give them a roaring round of applause. Adding to the musical splendor, the melodious team of Maithili Man, Abhilasha, Sirat Bhalla, Mannat Bhalla, Harshna Goswami, Naira Goyal, Jayan Saini and Gran Sinandi of class 8th A elevated the divine atmosphere by becoming the semi-finalist in the devotional song category at Jhankriti, the art of living. Their collective voices beautifully blended faith with rhythm, leaving an aura of serenity and grace.
Carrying forward the spiritual fervor, the vibrant group of Lakshya Garwal, R.V. Chhabra, Naisha Ahuja, Kavi Kapoor and Kriti Jain of class 6th A, along with Harshita Jain, Samriddhi Jain and Parneeti Singh of class 6th B, made the school proud by reaching the semi-finals in the Bhajan category at Jhankriti, the art of living. Their devotional presentation radiated purity, teamwork and heartfelt emotion. Please give them a huge round of applause.